Thanks to Jerry at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our SENSEN struts. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. Today we will be replacing a set of rear struts on a 2013 Ford Explorer front-wheel drive 3.5-liter engine. This set fits the 2011 to 2016 Ford Explorer front-wheel drive 3.5 liters. SENSEN shocks and struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. SENSEN has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder-coated finish to provide long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The SENSEN brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 15, 18, 19, 20, and 30 millimeter sockets and a pair of pliers. This concludes our rear strut installation on a 2013 Ford Explorer front-wheel drive 3.5-liter engine. Be sure to look out for our front complete strut assembly installation video for this same vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.